Hello, how are you? I am Jesús Trillos. I am from Colombia. I live in Valledupar, Colombia. And Valledupar is in north of Colombia. Uh, what about me? I work as telecommunication engineer for more than 1 year and 6 months consecutive, and for that reason I consider me a person responsible with punctuality, tolerance, and yes, responsibility. The place where you live, I live, as I was saying previously, I live here in Valledupar, Cesar. That is a department of Colombia. Your daily routine? My daily routine is that always at the morning, after that wake up, I brush my teeth, and I prepare my own breakfast, and after that eating my breakfast, I brush my teeth again, and I sit down to learn English for a few hours, practicing my speaking, my listening, my reading, and my speaking. Likes and dislikes. For example, I like listening to music about by Ariana Grande. For example, Rihanna is another singer that I enjoy listening her music, and I don't like the rock music. I feel that it's a ugly music because it has many things that I don't enjoy so much. For example, many singers, many singers from metal and music like this, they has a style life a little bit bad for me. Bad experience. I have been in Medellin, Bogota, and Cartagena, and of this for of those three travels, the travel that I enjoy more was when I was in Cartagena, because when I was in Cartagena, I went out with my family. I remember that always this was when I was a child. I am in I was 19, excuse me, I was 11 or 12 years old, and I remember that always I felt uh, many happy because much happy because the beach. I love the beach. I love the people, the foreign people, talk with them, and yes, this is my favorite place and my favorite experience that I like. Remind remind it. Changes. Okay, for this year, in this year I had many changes. For example, I had a surgery in July, September. In September, I had a surgery in July. Is by inguinal hernia, and after that surgery, I lost my job because I cannot continue working the same thing, because always I load many things. For example, multiple things with much size, and for that reason I lost my job. And after that, I began to study English, and in all that process I feel so nervous because always when I want to speak and I want to talk about certain topic, I feel that in many occasions I don't have the enough word for to maintain my conversation, and I feel a little nervous when I speaking in English. And my first future plan is in 3 months uh, achieve a good level English. My first future plan is achieve a good level English because I need to find out a new job with this language. For example, maybe call center, and the English I consider that is a language necessary to learn because all that I see in my life, everything is in English. For example, the manuals, the programs, the apps, many videos. Even I found many information better than Spanish in English. For that reason, my future plan, my priority is learn English in less than 3 months. Thank you.